I finally arrived to Casablanca. It's been like a 20-hour-long ride, and I am traveling to Morocco tomorrow, or on the 9th, and today's the 7th. I'm getting some things done at work so that everything that's related to me being here is done, and while I'm there I can do all of the digital aspects of my job. So right now I'm just sorting through the mail, working. Ooh, it's my husband. I'm going to see him this weekend. Hey.
Hey. Work, you record, you do all stuff in the same time.
Yeah, I have a lot to do before I leave. Did you see what happened at the Capitol?
What capital?
In Washington, D.C.
What happened there?
It was a riot. They broke into the White House.
They don't have security there.
Hello world. Today is January 9th, 2021. And I am about to get dressed. And I'll be traveling to Morocco today. So I have a long trip. I'm going from Cleveland to Detroit to Paris and then to Morocco. So I'll be leaving here from Cleveland. It's my moosey moose. I'll be leaving here from Cleveland at 5 today. So I have a couple errands I need to run before then. The first is a nail appointment. I gotta get my nails done. Already all packed up, which is great, so I don't even have to worry about packing or anything. It's just kind of last minute things that I need to get before it's time to leave. I'm super excited. It has been since June of 2020 that I was last in Morocco, so I'm excited to get back and see Moussa. We're celebrating our 2-year anniversary. It's about 8:30ish, and I am fresh out of the bed, which is why you see me with my scarf still on, but I have washed my face and brushed my teeth already. So I'm about to get up, make my bed, get dressed, feed Moosey, because he will not let me leave without feeding him. So let me know in the comments below what you think is a good idea to bring back from Morocco to sell here. Here's my suitcase. I already started with some snacks. Those are just a banana and almonds. And then I got my 2 suitcases. And also my backpack with my computer and all of my work stuff there. I need to make up my bed. Okay, make up my bed, which is real easy because I like to keep it simple.
Ready to watch? You ready now? You ready?
I made it out of the house this morning and I'm on my way to get my nails done. Outfit of the day is Abercrombie & Fitch, a black 2-piece, and then my Timberland leather boots, and as always my Africa necklace. A lot has happened in the time since I left home to now arriving at the nail salon, and I'm not gonna bore you with those details, but I am here in an area called Pinecrest. I'll show you. There are a lot of restaurants and shops in this area.
Looking so fresh, so retro. Ain't seen nothing like this now. So fantastical, super. Welcome to the brand new future. Looking like a primetime feature. I'm the #1 leader. I got that something. Whoa.
So this is a cute little area. And of course they're playing the jams. There's an Urban Outfitter and a Whole Foods. So I was telling you this morning that I need to go to Whole Foods and get some snacks for the flight.
And make you go like hoo-ha. 'Cause I don't think you're ready now. Get ready to watch.
Okay, Okay, I am heading to the airport. My flight leaves at 5:58 and it is 4:01. I plan to leave the house at 3, but I still had some last minute packing to do and just reorganizing my stuff. So my mom's taking me to the airport and it's really bright out here.
Where's your glasses?
I don't know, that's what I'm saying. I was looking for. I finally made it on the plane and I am in Cleveland currently, about to head to Detroit first. That's my first stop. And then I have I think like a 2-hour layover in Detroit. Well, actually I leave for Paris tonight at 9. So I have my own seat on the plane. So we're just sitting here waiting to take off. And I will be in Detroit and then Paris and then Casa. Moussa is going to meet me at the Casablanca airport. So you'll be able to see him and I'm excited to see him. I'm so excited and I know he is too. I just got a falafel wrap and some french fries. So that's what I'm eating before I board my flight. I don't leave until 9 o'clock, but I'm already at my gate. Here is my food. I got fries, can you see? Fries and a falafel sandwich. So I'm about to enjoy my food until it is time for me to get on the plane. Love french fries, so had to have them. I will see y'all in Paris. Je suis là à Paris. I'm in the airport now, and oh my gosh, the craziest thing just happened. So I had to go through security again once I got off the plane, and they almost tried to take my time for Black Orchid perfume. And when I say baby girl was about to have a whole attitude, no, because that's a gift and that is basically travel size. So they almost tried to take it, but they told me that all of my liquids had to fit into one plastic bag. So I had to throw away one of my little shea butters that I had because it didn't fit with the other stuff inside the one plastic bag. And it was only about this much left, but I was definitely not about to give up my Tom Ford. I'm excited. I'm out of breath. I'm hot. I'm a lot of things right now. So I'm really just ready to get there. I don't know what to expect once I arrive. There are so many travelers passing through here, and I actually had a really great seat. I had a middle aisle and I had the whole row to myself, so I was able to spread out. I had all 3 of the blankets, all of the pillows, everything to myself. And so it was a pretty quick flight, not too bad. I watched 2 movies. I watched Just Mercy with Michael B. Jordan, and I watched Mulan again. So I'm here in Paris, and this is my first time actually being in Paris, just passing through. So I didn't even get to see the Eiffel Tower because I thought I had a window seat. I requested all window seats. Didn't work out. So hopefully when we are departing Paris, then I'll see if I have a window seat and if I can see a view of the Eiffel Tower, and I'll show you. Yay! I finally arrived to Casablanca. It's been like a 20-hour long ride and I'm just tired. I am ready to eat, and Moussa is preparing our food, our delicious food. Hey, love bug.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi, everybody. Love you. I miss you, baby.
I miss you more. Moussa is preparing dinner. I'm about to take off my traveling stuff and just relax until dinner is ready. And I put some candles on the table. Let me show you. Put some candles on the table with some little hearts just to make it cute. Can you tell us what we're eating?
Yeah, we eat yassa poulet.
You're eating pole.
Yes. You are the vegetarian.
Yeah.
Me, I'm not a vegetarian.
So I'm eating yassa
Yassa with
onions,
onions,
potatoes, and
yes.
carrots.
Yes. Me, I'm eating yassa with judge, with poulet.
With pole.
Yeah.
Pole is French and zhej is Arabic.
It's Arabic, yes. Bismillah. Bon appétit, ma chérie.
Merci. How is it?
Yeah, it's good. Mine is good. And yours?
How do these feel?
No, I just, I don't take my time because I'm so excited to see you.
And it's late. It's okay.
But next time I'm gonna take my time.
Yeah. Stay tuned for the rest of the week because I am going to take you all along with me as I spend the week here in Morocco. Until next time, bye.